Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Ford Ranger Raptor. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex Nano Coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is painted in Code Orange and it's in the Raptor trim level. Comes with full LED lights and graphite graphics for both the grille and trims. It's fitted with high-performance off-road tires, which are complemented by the 18 inches alloys in graphite. You have powerful mirrors with cameras and illumination. At the back, you have the classic bed with the Raptor rollover bar. The rear bumper is fitted with a tow bar and parking sensors and a rear view camera. And over here to the left hand side, you have the fuel port, and another part of the Raptor trim kit level is the side steps. At the back, the roll cover is remote controlled. And gives you access to this spacious bed. The bed is lined with anti-slip treatment. You also have LED lighting fixtures and two mains plug, plus a remote button for the bed cover. Size-wise, it's 122 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 50 centimeters of height to the lowest edge of the rail, and then an extensive and really useful 146 centimeters of flooring space. The vehicle is in a 5-seat configuration, and you can already notice the sport design of all 5 seats. They're finished in leather with Alcantara inserts and Code Orange leather inserts with contrast stitching as well. The center of the rear bench can be converted into a really useful tray table. And over here on the center console, you have the ventilation ports, plus 2 USB, one Type-C and one Type-A, and another 12-volt mains plug, which is really useful for like tablets, laptops, or other work intents. At the front, you can see the very well endowed and comfortable sport design seats with more leather inserts and Alcantara as well. The driver's seat is fully electrically adjustable with lumbar support as well. And the dashboard itself has, again, Alcantara and Code Orange inserts. Steering wheel itself has a raised line on top, again in Code Orange. Contrast stitching over the perforated leather. It's multifunction as well and can be adjusted in height and depth. Over the steering wheel, you have the controls for the cruise control, which is adaptive on the left-hand side, plus the toggle for the lane keeping assist. And over to the right-hand side, you have the trip computer controls. The stalk on the left is for the lighting, as usual. And over to the right, you have the automatic wipers stalk. You also have paddle shifter for the 8-gear transmission. And the start and stop button is localized over here on the steering wheel column. The dashboard is fully digital and multifunction. And from here you can access multiple features of the vehicle, including the navigation system with turn-by-turn assistance. A bit further down the right, you have all the controls for the top cover and lighting dial, plus the fog lights and dimming of the cabin lights. The vehicle is also equipped with automatic high beams, plus you have all the controls for the power mirrors and power windows over on the armrest. The infotainment is the new generation Ford Sync 6 with DAB radio over a 12-inch tablet. It's fully capacitive and touchscreen. You can also access all the air conditioning and climate control settings from here, which is also dual zone, and also you can toggle the seat and steering wheel heat from here. The vehicle is also fitted with its own navigation system, which also offers real-time information for traffic and diversions. And you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay both through Bluetooth and the USB cable. You can also notice over the dashboard the ambient lighting in the same wild orange color as the rest of the trim, which affects both the dash, the door cards and the center console. From the main tablet you can also access all the driving assistance. As I mentioned before, it's fitted with adaptive cruise control. You also have the smart speed limit assist, which will automatically read the speed limit of the road you're in. The pre-collision assist, which you can select even if you want to use the emergency braking by itself. You also have blind spot monitoring over the mirrors. And the rear parking sensors also offer cross-traffic alert. Underneath the tablet itself you can find the controls physical for both the AC and volume rocker, and then you also have obviously the hazard lighting. Underneath you have a really useful shelf with wireless charging capabilities, which is compatible with both QI and MagSafe protocols, so it's compatible with both Android and iPhones. And you also have two more USB Type-C and Type-A port. For here you also have the gear selector, which again is finished in leather with contrast stitching. And you have a couple more toggles for the off-road mode, which will show you the front rear camera and automatically and dynamically adjust with the other cameras. The toggle for the electronic stability program, start and stop, and for the parking sensors. You also have a dial over here where you can select the driving mode, as in two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive with lock, with regular gear ratio, and with automatic gear ratio. And you also have a dial selector to switch from normal to sport, slippery, mud and ruts, sand, Baja, and rock roll mode. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Ford Ranger Raptor. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.